everyone, I'm Kelsie from Sugar Flowers by Kelsie Cakes, and today we're diving into something really special, 5 wedding styles for 2025. These aren't just any styles, they're going to add that wow factor to your wedding, especially with your cake, which, let's be honest, is the real MVP of your wedding decor. And yes, there is a story behind every style that just might inspire your own wedding cake masterpiece. Before we get started, I just want to say that your wedding cake is not just a dessert. It's a centerpiece that should reflect your unique style, your beautiful love story, your tale as old as time. Whether it's the colors you choose, the designs that catch your eye, or the flowers that speak to you, every element should resonate with who you are as a couple. So when you are designing your wedding cake, including the flavors, do what you love, what makes you happy. It's your day. As we explore these trends, think about how each one might mirror your own personal tale of romance, making your big day unforgettable for you and the people who love you. Let's get started. Oh, just kidding. First, I had to introduce myself. So, like I said, I'm Kelsie. I am the heart and hands behind Sugar Flowers by Kelsie Cakes. I started my journey over a decade ago in my grandmother's kitchen where I made my first wedding cake for my uncle's wedding. It was a simple 2-tier carrot cake with cream cheese frosting and blue buttercream roses. Things have changed a lot since then, but it sparked a passion in me that's grown ever since I was 15. I'm 33 now, so I've learned a lot. I've been running Sugar Flowers by Kelsie Cakes for 10 years now. I just want to share my love and passion for custom personalized wedding cakes with everyone else. So, first of the 5 wedding styles that we're going to get into today, we're going to talk about ways that the weddings can be styled for you and how to incorporate that style into your wedding cake, because obviously I'm a little biased. I love wedding cakes. First up, vintage glam, very popular all over Pinterest. It's classic, it's timeless, it's elegant, it's a little bit more dramatic. Think lace and ribbon and soft lighting, black velvet tablecloth on your cake table with antique gold kickstand and some tapered candles. And for sugar flowers, like magnolias and gardenias and roses and peonies and just a touch of gold. This is what I said, but in the picture I have a lot of gold. You could go either way. And if you like this, there's a lot more detail in my guide, 5 wedding styles for 2025 and how to make them yours, which you can download from the link in the description. It's got mood boards, it's got style ideas, decor ideas, venue ideas. So if you're in the early stages of wedding planning and you're trying to figure out which direction to take things. Number 2, we've got bold pinks, a style for those who love to stand out with vibrant colors. Envision a cake that captures everyone's attention with vivid shades of pink and red. It's fearless, it's chic, it's undeniably bold. Your wedding cake can have bold pink shades surrounded by dramatic lighting with a sleek modern cake stand in black for contrast, like in this photo. Bold tulips, ranunculus, gaviosa, peonies, garden roses, magenta, crimson, fuchsia, hot pink, all the things. You should do hot pink for your wedding. Blushing bride is out, hot pink is in. Number 3 is ethereal romance, a style perfect for those who dream of a fairy tale wedding. Your cake will be a soft, dreamy centerpiece that feels straight out of a storybook. It's all about soft, flowing details and gentle hues, airy fabrics, soft colors, subtle candlelight, tapered candles, ripped paper with embossing for your stationery, flowy chiffon fabrics, and roses and peonies. They don't have to be roses and peonies, but there are a lot of roses and peonies on this page. I love this one because it's so floral, and I'm obsessed with florals. I like soft colored blush, peach, pale blue, soft yellow. I love this cascading look. I love this climbing roses look. Baby's breath, very big for 2025. Also, you're not supposed to eat it. Don't put it on your wedding cake. Get sugar flower, baby's breath instead. If you want to learn how to make it, I also have a video about that. Ethereal romance, my vibe. It's like vintage glam because they're both neutral and more sophisticated. But this one is a little more organic-y and flowy. I don't know, black tie. Any of them could be black tie, but subtle differences. I also love Fruitful Elegance. The style marries the rustic charm of fruits with the refined beauty of floral accents. Imagine your cake adorned with fresh, organic elements that add unique, natural touches. It's fresh, it's elegant, it brings a taste of nature to your celebration. Lush sugar flowers, real fruit details. All over Pinterest, I'm seeing grapefruits, I'm seeing oranges, I'm seeing lemons, I'm seeing kumquat. I'm also seeing figs and plums and peaches. Don't go overboard with the fruits. I've got plum anemones and dark orange cosmos. Those aren't fruits, they're flowers, but the colors are inspired by fruits. Last but not least, we have Italian coastal chic, inspired by the fresh, vibrant vibes of the Mediterranean, breezy elegance, cool, crisp colors of the sea and sky. It's effortless, sophisticated, perfect for a seaside celebration. Picture orange blossoms, lemon blossoms, olive branches, anemones, delphiniums, peonies. So those are the 5 styles. If you liked them, there's more information about each style in the guide. And then if you sign up, you'll also get some emails from me where I dig deeper into more stuff I love about them and also try to sell you my sugar flowers if you're into it. If you're not into it, it's totally fine. I don't want to sell you something that you don't want. But if it is what you want, I'm your girl. If you have questions, drop them in the comments, send me an email, get the guide. It's got the FAQs in there. I'm here to help. I love this kind of stuff. And if you're loving these styles, just wait till you see what's in the full guide. It's packed with more details, tips, and stunning ideas to make your wedding cake absolutely unforgettable. Click the link below to download your own copy of 5 Wedding Styles for 2025 and how to make them yours. And hey, why not schedule a free 15-minute consultation with me? We can chat over a phone call or Google Meet, and we can bring your wedding cake vision to life together. Whether you've already booked the cake, you're a cake decorator, you are still looking for a baker. But if you need to just bounce ideas off of me, I'm here for that too. Can't wait to help you make your wedding as unique as your love story. Have questions about your wedding cake or want to book a consultation? Comment below or visit our website. End with a call to action reminding viewers to subscribe and download the guide. I should not have said that part out loud. I don't know why I did.